Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. It's Trinity, where I do whatever I want. So I was getting ready to film some videos, and I realized that I could film my eyebrow tutorial before I get ready, so that's why I have this bonnet on. I
promise you I'm really not this ratchet.
But yeah, you like it? It's hot pink. I wanted the light pink one, but my mom took it.
Kind of rude if you ask me.
Oh my gosh, the way the camera is angled, it looks like I'm about to do one of those short girl POVs. Oh my god, dude, I'm like 4'8". You're so tall. No, I'm just a baby. I'm only 4'11". I'm only 4'8". I wish I was tall. Being short is so hard. You're like a giraffe. Oh my gosh. You're huge.
Don't be shy, this is more.
Oh my god. This is hilarious. I have my bonnet down so it can hide like the other half of my forehead. Actually, there is a pimple on my forehead. Y'all gonna ignore that because it's almost my time of the month. Drink your water, kids. Why do people use straws and water bottles? I had a friend who did that. Like, just drink out the water bottle. I'm getting so off topic. Today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you my I don't even know what to call it, but I only need 2 things to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the eyebrows. Now, let's zoom into these babies right here. So as y'all can tell, I don't even have that much eyebrow to begin with, so I don't really need to clean up my eyebrows. So if you guys need to clean up your eyebrows, go ahead and do what you need to do, but you will not be seeing me clean up my eyebrows in here, because if I clean up my eyebrows,
I will literally have no eyebrows.
My dad has no eyebrows. I had no eyebrows for a long time, and then I just started putting Vaseline on them. Life hack: if you want your eyebrows to grow, put some Vaseline in them, John. You know, my eyebrows are significantly lighter than my face, and significantly, like, am I saying the word gantly? Significantly.
I'm just gonna stop saying this so I don't sound stupid.
So basically, my eyebrows are naturally in the shape, and I basically just go off the shape. Another thing is, I usually use a spoolie. I have no idea where my spoolie went. Ugh,
the ghetto.
But you can also use this, which is what I'm going to be using today, like one of those. Are these for lashes? I use these for my eyebrows when I misplace my spoolie. So you're gonna need this thingy right here, or a spoolie. I suggest a spoolie. Spoolies are just easier. This takes off a little too much for my liking, so I'm very gentle with this, but this also works. I use the NYX Tame and Frame. So the whole point of this tutorial, because I have a more expensive tutorial, but you know, we're kids. Well, hopefully the majority of my demographic are young children, not young, teenagers. So you can get this at your local beauty supply store, and I love it. It's like one of my favorites. It's the NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade, Tame and Frame brow pomade. I actually like the CoverGirl one, but I literally could not find the CoverGirl one. This is like the dupe to the CoverGirl one. I think everybody knows what I'm talking about. It's just this one. It's just the concealer, and it has like a little brush thingy like this. So then I have this brush right here that I use for my brows. It's very small. Oh my god, bro, it looks so crusty. It's not crusty. And then I got an angle brow brush. This is an angle brow brush for all of you guys who don't know. And then you don't need this, but just as extra, sometimes I do use this brush, which is just a flat head. It's called an eyeliner brush, but I call it a flat head brush because it has, you know, it has a flat head. Okay, so I'm brushing out my eyebrows first, and just making sure that they're in place, because you don't want them all over the place while you're doing your brows. So just brushing out my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm gonna. Oh, I found my spoolie. That was really happy about that. I found my spoolie while I was like doing my hair. Okay, so I dipped my brush into the brow pomade, and right now I'm tracing my tail. So I trace the top part of my tail, and then I go down, and then I fill in, and I literally just start with my tail. I don't know which brow this is. I'm pretty sure this is. I start on left brow. Not that that's important. And then I start to drag the product forward, close to like where my nose is, not where my nose is, but like the beginning of my brow bone, if that makes sense. And then after that, I go under and trace the under parts, And then while I'm doing, like, once I get like the under parts traced, as you guys can see now, I'm just starting to fill in the eyebrow, and I'm like just filling it in. Now sometimes I will do my eyebrows like super thick, but don't worry, I don't keep it like this. But I find it easier if you make it thicker, like, and make it more messy than just having it super neat, because it's easier to mess up when you go back and clean. So I'm okay with like making my front part really thick, because sometimes I don't exactly know how my front part will turn out. So I'm just going back through and I'm making sure that my front part is thick and that it's really going down, because I like it when my eyebrows kind of have like this arch thing going for them and they come down towards my brow bone rather than straight across. Okay, so I know it looks like crazy and thick right now, but I go ahead and fill in both of my eyebrows, and then I'm going to come back to you when this eyebrow is finished, because I'm essentially doing the same thing I did on the other side. Okay, so I'm finished with that one, and then I just go in the front and make sure they're extra filled in, because like I said, my front is the part that I messed up the most. So I make sure it's filled in because I really want, you know, this shape to be there. And I know I look crazy right now, but y'all, trust the process. Okay, so now I'm getting my concealer. Now I usually do this one or two ways. I actually find it easier to use the brow brush, so I put the concealer on my hand and I go ahead and use the brow brush, but you can also use the brush on the concealer. And now I'm taking my angular brush and I'm making sure to clean it up, and I also pick the eyebrow that I like the most. And by the looks of this video, it looks like I really like the eyebrow I just did the most, and I'm making sure to get that arch, because I want the arch very prominent. So I get that arch, and then I do under, and then I do over, and on top is where I knock off like the most like eyebrow, because right now my eyebrows are really girthy. Girthy, I like that word. Right now my eyebrows are really girthy, so if you guys know, girthy means thick. I mean, I'm smart. But they're so thick, so I like to take off the most here. But this is like really hard, but like I said, this is why I like to make them really thick, because I can shape them into whatever I want them to be. And I usually choose the same shape. So like I said, I make sure like my eyebrow in the front is really just pointed down almost, and then I connect the concealer almost in like a unibrow fact. I don't know why I do that, actually. I've just been always doing that, but yeah, I connect it down in a unibrow fashion, and that's it. So now I'm taking this the flat brush, and you guys don't have to use this. You can still use your regular brush that you just used, but I like to pull down the concealer around my eyes to like blend it more, because I don't want to use my fingers or a beauty blender, because I'm paranoid that I will like tap off my eyebrow. Even though this product isn't bad at all and my eyebrow won't just tap off, I really just have this big fear of like just messing up my eyebrows. So I like to use this brush because it's nice and flat, and it's very precise when it comes to getting the extra concealer that's not blended from around your eyebrows. Also, if you guys do notice, this concealer is literally my exact skin shade, and I love it like that because it just helps me. I don't like it when it's too light or too dark around your eyebrows, and I just feel like this gives it a more natural look. So as I'm blending it, you may have noticed that I did it in the middle a lot, because I really want to make sure the eyebrows don't seem connected. And then I go ahead and with my brush or my spoolie, which you guys should either be using, and I make sure to brush my eyebrows out. And when I'm doing this, I'm also making sure to push them back over so they fall into the line of the eyebrow. Now, brushing your eyebrows out, oh, I did find my spoolie. Brushing your eyebrows out is very important at this part, because I'm like so tired of seeing people walking around where it looks like they have bricks. You want to give it like a fade effect, so it can look more natural, and it just overall looks more appealing to look at. So darker at the back and lighter at the front. As you see, sometimes it's too dark at my front, and so I go in with my fingers a little bit. I wouldn't suggest this though, because sometimes your fingers can go in and take a lot off, but I've been doing this for so long that like this is just how I do it. But yeah, okay guys, so that is it for my eyebrow tutorial. Depending on the day, sometimes I might add a slit. I was not feeling a slit today, so I did not put a slit in my eyebrow. Slits are very easy, it's just like, you know. But yeah, that is it for my eyebrow tutorial. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did enjoy, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure to check out my social medias. I'm very active on there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.